In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Store not downloading. We'll walk through a simple sequence of checks and resets that often resolve stubborn download and update issues in the store. Follow along on your PC and pause as needed. First, let's make sure your system time is in sync because incorrect time settings can break secure connections the store relies on. Press the Windows key and the letter I to open settings. On the left, choose Time and Language, then click Date and Time. Toggle set time automatically off, wait a moment, then turn it back on. This refreshes the time service. Now scroll down to Additional Settings and click Sync Now to immediately align your clock with Microsoft's time server. Next, we'll clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type wsreset.x and press Enter or click OK. A blank black command prompt window will appear. Don't close it. After about 10 to 30 seconds, it will close by itself and the Microsoft Store will open fresh with its cache cleared. This alone often fixes failed downloads. If the store still won't download, we'll run an elevated repair command. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal Admin or Windows PowerShell Admin, depending on what you see. When the window opens with administrator rights, paste the repair command you were provided for resetting or re-registering the Microsoft Store components, then press Enter. When it finishes, close the window and try opening the store again. Now let's confirm the Windows Update service is running since the store depends on it. Press Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the list, scroll down and find Windows Update. Double-click it and ensure the startup type is set to manual or automatic. If the service status shows stopped, click Start, then click Apply. Close the Services window and test the store once more. Finally, we'll clear delivery optimization files, which can interfere with app downloads if they're corrupted. Press the Windows key and I to open Settings, go to System, then click Storage. Choose Temporary Files. Check only delivery optimization files. You can uncheck anything else if you prefer to keep it, and then click Remove Files at the top. This forces Windows to fetch fresh download chunks instead of relying on potentially bad cached data. After completing these steps, return to the Microsoft Store and try your download again. In most cases, the combination of time sync, cache reset, service check, and clearing optimization files restores smooth, reliable store downloads. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back up and running quickly.